Is your circuit breaker tripping again and again? You reset it, it works for a few minutes, and suddenly click, power goes off again. This is one of the most common electrical problems in homes across Europe, and many people ignore it until it becomes a serious issue. But here's something important. Your circuit breaker is not the enemy. It is actually protecting your home. It prevents electrical fires, wire overheating, appliance damage, electric shock. So if it keeps tripping, it means something is wrong. In this video, I will explain exactly how a circuit breaker works, the 7 real reasons it keeps tripping, how you can safely test the problem at home, and when you must call an electrician. Watch carefully, because one small mistake can be dangerous. But let's begin. First, how does a circuit breaker work? Before fixing the problem, you must understand how it works. A circuit breaker is a safety switch installed inside your electrical panel. Its job is simple. If too much current flows through the wires, it automatically switches off. Why? Because wires have limits. If too much electricity flows, wires heat up. If overheating continues, gives insulation, melts, gives fire risk. So the breaker cuts power before damage happens. In most European homes, lighting circuits are 10A. Socket circuits are 16A. Kitchen appliances may be 208 or higher. RCD sensitivity is usually 30 milliamperes. There are 3 main protections. 1. Overload protection. 2. Short circuit protection. 3. Earth leakage protection. Now let's understand the real reasons behind repeated tripping. 1. Overloaded circuit, most common. This is responsible for almost 50% of tripping issues. Overload happens when you connect to many high-power devices on one circuit. For example, electric kettle 2000 West, microwave 1200W, toaster 100W, heater 200W. If all run together on a 16A circuit, breaker trips, because power equals voltage times current. In Europe, voltage is around 230 volts, so a 16A breaker handles roughly 230 times 16 equals 3,680 watts. If your total appliances exceed that, breaker switches off. Signs of overload. Trips after a few minutes. Happens during cooking or winter heater use. No burning smell. Works fine when fewer appliances used. Easy fix. Don't run heater and kettle together. Avoid cheap extension boards. Spread load across different circuits. If problem stops, overload confirmed. 2. Short circuit dangerous. Short circuit is more serious. It happens when live wire touches neutral directly. This causes sudden, huge current spike. Breaker trips instantly. Signs. Trips immediately. Loud spark sound. Burn marks on socket. Smell of burning. Common causes. Damaged wire insulation. Loose connections. Water inside appliance. Rodents. Chewing wires. Warning. Never keep resetting breaker repeatedly. You can damage wiring further. Testing method. Unplug everything. Reset breaker. If it holds, plug appliances one by one. When it trips again, that appliance is faulty. If it still trips with nothing connected, gives internal wiring issue. Call electrician. 3. Ground fault, earth leakage. Ground fault happens when electricity leaks to earth. In modern European homes, RCD or RCBO detects leakage as small as 30 milliamperes. This is extremely sensitive for safety. Common areas: washing machine, dishwasher, outdoor sockets, bathroom heater, garden lighting. Why it happens: water leakage, damaged heating element, old insulation, moisture in socket. Signs: RCD trips but MCB doesn't. Happens during rainy weather. Trips when appliance touches water. Fix: check for water around appliances, dry sockets completely, inspect outdoor wiring. If it continues, gives appliance insulation failure. 4. Faulty appliance. Sometimes house wiring is fine. Problem is inside appliance. Common faulty appliances: iron, water heater, microwave, washing machine motor, refrigerator compressor. Heating elements are common failure points. Over time, insulation breaks, gives leakage starts. Simple test. Disconnect all appliances. Turn breaker on. Reconnect devices one by one. When breaker trips, you found culprit, repair or replace appliance. 5. Old or weak circuit breaker. Yes, breaker's age 2. Inside breaker is mechanical spring and thermal strip. After years, It becomes sensitive, trips randomly, trips at lower load. Your panel is 15 plus years old, possible issue. Important. Always replace with same amp rating. Never increase rating without checking wire thickness. Wrong upgrade can cause fire risk. 6. Damaged hidden wiring. Hidden wall wiring problems are dangerous. Causes: nail drilled into wall, rodent damage, loose junction box, renovation mistakes. Signs: random tripping, burning smell from wall, warm switchboards. This is not DIY repair. Call licensed electrician. 7. Overheating breaker panel. Sometimes issue is panel ventilation. Panel is in small closed box, near heater, direct sunlight. Heat builds up. Thermal breaker trips earlier than normal. Fix: ensure ventilation, don't cover panel, clean dust regularly. Step-by-step diagnosis guide. Follow this safe method. Step 1. Turn OFF all appliances. Step 2. Reset breaker. Step 3. Wait 5 minutes. Step 4. Turn on devices one by one. Step 5. Observe carefully. This method solves most home issues. When you must call electrician, call professional. If breaker won't reset, sparks visible, burning smell present, wires hot to touch, panel makes buzzing sound, electrical safety is not worth risking. Safety tips: never use damaged plugs, avoid overloaded extension boards, install surge protector, regularly inspect heavy appliances, keep panel dry. Small precautions prevent big accidents. Final conclusion. So remember, circuit breaker trips for a reason. Protects your home from fire, shock, expensive damage. Most common causes are overload or faulty appliance. But sometimes issue can be serious, like short circuit or hidden wiring. Always diagnose calmly. Never ignore repeated tripping. Safety first, always. If this guide helped you understand the real reason behind your breaker problem, subscribe to Easy Solutions for more practical repair and troubleshooting videos. See you in the next one.